Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day and it is my 295th Floss Tube. And today is August 26, 2025. And one more time this month, we have our August cup. Jasmine green tea today, as usual. So we had kind of a busy week last week, and it rained and not a whole bunch else going on. So yeah, we did get the kids to school. That was a plus, yeah. And I did go have lunch with my daughter at her house. You know, we went and picked it up and that kind of thing. She had some other things she had to run around and do. I picked up lunch and took it back to her house. So yeah, so let's see what we did. We had 3 reviews, not 2, but 3 reviews. Yay. And we had 4 starts. Scary but true. So let's get started with what we started. How's that? This comes from DP Clubs and it is the cat and flower. Yeah, I should call it cat and flowers, but I'm sure I have another one like that that is plural on the flowers, so we'll just go from there. And I only got that part done up there in the that sunflower, so yeah, I didn't get back to it. It's been a week. But, yeah, we'll keep it out and do some more. It is full coverage, I do believe. Yeah, because that whole cat is going to be stitched in some kind of form of white. D5200 is right there. So, yeah, it'll be fun. Huh. And we'll save that one for last because it's kind of messy. The next one that we started, I have to get the threads out. This is it's kind of a bigger canvas, bigger than what we've had in the past month, shall we say. And I gotta see which way it goes. This is the lighthouse with all those gorgeous colors. And the reason it's so big is because it is 11 count instead of 14. And that is all that I got done on that. But I do like the colors in it. I just absolutely love it. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to make a pile over there. It's not working out real well. Hopefully it won't fall off. And the next one that I started was from GBFKE. This is in no particular order, so the next one in the pile. How's that? Yeah. Are these beautiful butterflies and that, I want to call it a white on white. It's actually like a gold on white. Muted would be the word. Muted background. So I've been working in this corner right here, trying to get this framework kind of started, to see how that was all going to go. And this one was the one that I worked on the most. So I still have all that background. And let me see. Yep, all the rest of it's done except for that background. Then I started on, like I said, the framework. It goes kind of slow, but this part went fairly fast except for that background. You know, because it's all in half cross stitch, and all of this is in half cross stitch except for that frame. Maybe there might be more. I don't know. I haven't looked, but I'm guessing that the whole background of the whole thing is in half cross stitch. So I do a little bit and then I go on and do something else. Yeah. Well, this is another one that I really couldn't, I don't know, get myself into, if I can get it out of its bag. And it's this beautiful blue cat, and it's all done in beads. I got this from Fan Cells, And we started right up in the top part of the cat. And let's see if I can show you. I'm just using a color that semi-matches those beads. I don't even know that you can tell that they're there. I'm going to turn it around so you can see. I just had no desire to get it out. I don't know, some days I have enough patience for beaded cross stitch, and others not so much, and that's okay. You know, you do it as you feel you want to do it. Does that make sense? So yeah, last week was so not that week. So, but those are all the starts that I had. We also worked on this one. This also came from GBFK, but it was back in April. And it was a beautiful parrot. The colors are just outstanding in this. I don't know if you know. Is that a macaw? I got nothing. It looks kind of smallish for a macaw. So maybe it's just a form of parrot that we have. So I've worked up in the green on the flora and fauna of that, and I'd already gotten part of his blue tail done, a little bit over here, a little bit down here in this bunch of stuff. So yeah, I don't know, I just couldn't. It wasn't a week where I would just sit down and stitch for hours. Sometimes we have that. Others, not so much. And I also worked on, last but not least, I'm looking for the picture, is Blue Mountains and Pavilions. That's what I call it. And we were working on this yellowish section. I think we're going to go into these yellow trees. So, yeah, it's on this lovely brown fabric. It's very easy to see all the symbols. It's nice, bright, clear. It's not like the, I think it's called Watertown Memory, where it was very hard to see the symbols. It's not that at all. So, I'll just show you this part. So, we worked on all that yellowish color that's going to start coming in here. This color that goes right next to what you see I've already stitched was just getting lighter and lighter and lighter, so I finally just decided to go to the goldish color. So yeah, I do love this one. I love all the blues, all the way it all looks. How can you not? You know, gorgeous. Yeah. And that, guys, is everything that I stitched on last week. We'll probably have a couple of reviews this week. I'm not sure if anything else. I think we have one more weekend of August stitching on Saturday. And then I will change the what we're going to do. I haven't really decided. September, I want to say samplers, but I don't know if I can find enough samplers to last the month. I just have a few, and that are stamped. I am not getting out the counted cross stitch. It ain't happening. Definitely the wrong time of year for that. Yeah, I need more peace, quiet at work and everything else for me to work on those. So we'll see. We'll see what I decide. But other than that, that's all we have for this week. I know it's kind of a short week. So we'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.